use integer operations to solve problems and to locate integers on a number line. Start by saying, consider this equation, x equals 2.5 minus 8, or x equals 2 and 5/10 minus 8. Which of the following shows the value of x graphed on the number line? The important information that we are given in this problem is x equals 2.5 minus 8. And we're asked to solve this problem and then locate it on a number line. So, what is the problem telling us to do? Solve for x and locate the value of x on a number line. So I kind of summarized this in my own words today. It's telling me to solve for x and to locate that value of x on a number line. So the best thing to do for this problem, I think, is just to draw out a number line on your paper. 0 will go in the middle. All our numbers to the left are negative. All of our numbers to the left of 0 are negative, and all of our numbers to the right of 0 are positive. So let's get started. Are positive. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Okay, so we're going to start at 2 and 5/10, or 2 1/2. 2 1/2 is in between 2 and 3. So 2 1/2 should be in between 2 and 3. So now we're going to subtract 8, or move to the left 8 steps, because we have a -8. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps to the left, and we wind up in between -6 and -5. We end up in between -6 and -5. The number in between -6 and -5 would be 5.5 negative. Our answer is going to be -5.5, and you will select an answer on your multiple choice that has a dot located in between the -6 and the -5. Thank you. And the answer is B, -5.5 lies in between -5 and -6. Thank you.